Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow X, Twitter, to access your media on your device. Allowing X to access your media files is crucial for sharing images and videos on the platform. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. The exact wording may vary based on your device. Locate and select X, Twitter, from the list of apps displayed. Once you've chosen X, Twitter, tap on Permissions. Within the Permissions section, find the option for Files and Media or Storage. Toggle the switch next to it to grant X, Twitter, access to your files. After enabling access to files, make sure to select Allow Access to Media to give X, Twitter, the ability to interact with your media content seamlessly. By following these steps, you can ensure that X, Twitter, has the necessary permissions to access your media files effectively. This will enhance your Twitter experience and enable you to share media with your followers and engage with the platform more creatively. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in allowing X, Twitter, to access your media on your device. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to optimize your social media usage.